Now class 9, for doing next question you have to know some concept. I am explaining you one by one. Circle is inscribed, inscribed, by a square. Circle is inscribed by a square means square will be outside and circle will be inside of that square. That is why it is inscribed. Circle is inscribed means under, okay, by a square means square will be outside and circle will be inside. At this time condition will be diameter of circle. Diameter of circle is equals to side of a square. Now which one is diameter? You tell me which one is diameter. Of course this one we can take diameter, so you can see this diameter is equals to side, okay. That is why I have written diameter of circle is equals to side of a square. This is side of a square, so side of the square is equals to diameter of a circle. In the this condition is applied only circle is inscribed by a square, okay. Now the next one, in the next one you can see circle circumscribed by a square. Circle is circumscribed by a square means circle will be outside and square will be inside. It is not proper square, but you make it proper square, okay, because I don't have that compass right now. Circle circumscribe a square means circle will be outside and square will be inside. At that time diameter of a circle is equals to diagonal of a square. So which one is diameter? Diameter of a circle is which one? You can take this one also. This is also diameter. Why? Because it is passing from the center and touching the two end. What is the definition of diameter? That it will pass from the center and touch the two ends. So this one is also diameter, okay. So diameter is equals to, and this one is also diagonal of the square. That is why I have written diameter of circle is equals to diagonal of square. And what is the formula of diagonal of square? Root 2 into side. Side of what? Side of square, okay. Understood? I think you are understanding the concept. Please go through it again and again, okay. Now we will do the next 2 question or 3 question which is based on this one only. Read the third one. A circle is inscribed by a square. Inscribed means this type of, means circle will be inside and square will be outside, okay. The length of side of a square is 10 centimeter. So what is the length of the side? 10 meter, na, 10 centimeter. The length of the diameter of a circle. They are asking the length of the diameter of the circle. As you know that, what you know? Diameter is equals to side of a square. Side of square, diameter is equals to side of square. Diameter of circle you can write also if you want. Diameter of circle is equals to side of a square. Diameter is side is given how much? 10 centimeter. If side is 10 centimeter, it means diameter is also 10 centimeter. So diameter is also 10 centimeter. So which option is correct? Option 1, okay. Now question number 4. A circle circumscribed by square. Circle circumscribed by square means circle will be outside and square will be inside. The length of side of a square is 5 centimeter. So what is the length of one side of a square? 5 centimeter. The length of diameter of a circle they are asking, okay. Now come to this one. Side of a square is 5 centimeter it is given, and this is circumscribed circle means circle will be outside and square will be inside, and they have given that one side of a square is 5 centimeter. When circumscribed circle are there, what is the condition? Diameter of circle is equals to diagonal of a square. So diameter of circle is equals to root 2 into side. This is the formula of diagonal of square. What is the side? 5 centimeter. So you will write 5 centimeter. You can write this one first. So answer will be 5 root 2 centimeter. Diameter of circle is 5 root 2 centimeter, okay. Now question number 5. A circular ring is 5 centimeter wide. The difference of outer and inner radius is. What is the wide? Wide means width. Width is given 5 centimeter. And they are asking difference of outer radii and inner radii. Means outer radius and inner radius. So how you will do? This is the diagram for outer and inner circle. This one is the inner circle and this one is the outer circle, and width is given 5 centimeter. We don't know what is the radius, so I am taking let inner radius be r centimeter. If inner radius is r centimeter, what will be the outer radius? inner radius plus width. This is the formula. So r I am writing and width is r plus 5. So outer radius will get r plus 5. They are asking difference of outer and inner radius. Difference means subtraction between outer radii. Outer radius is x plus 5 and inner radius is x. When you will open the bracket, plus x minus x will cancel out and you will get 5 centimeter as a answer. Okay, thank you.